Now guys, you've all showed up at our doorstep. How many of you is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God, 5. There's 5 of you. If I come outside, and I won't have that screen, I think you just need to go away. Why don't you go away? Who's been feeding all you guys? We don't feed birds here. We don't feed you. Have you been fed here before? Oh my goodness. Why are you here? You're here to say hello to us? We're new. We're new here. But guess what? We don't feed the birds. What do you think? Do you think we're going to feed you? No, no, no. You must just go on your way and go fishing. You're a fishing bird. Yes, that's what you are. Go fishing. You don't believe me? Look out there in the water. The fish are jumping all around. Look out there. Get out there and go fishing. Only lazy birds hang out at people's houses begging to be fed. Are you a beggar? Ah ha ha ha. I bet you are. That doesn't do any good. I'm not going to feed you if you beg. I'm not feeding you at all. I want you to go fishing. That's right. Go fishing. You're very beautiful birds. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. There's the prettiest one over there. He is so pretty. He's a blue-gray. Blue. I'm going to call you Mr. Blue. Shall we give all the rest of you guys names? Are you going to come visit every night even if I don't feed you? I'm not going to feed you. You have to go catch fish. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what seabirds do. You're a seabird. Now, get your buns or get your wings and get out there in that water. The fish are just jumping all over the place. They're waiting for you. Well, I'm going to go inside because I'm cooking food. People food. Birds do not eat people food. Oh, there's one more way over there. There's 6 of you guys. Oh my gosh. Way over there, one more. I just don't believe how many birds are here. Now, what happens when birds come around? They leave nasty droppings. I don't want to see any of them here. You can come visit and have your picture taken and get on Facebook and get famous, but you cannot put droppings here. Now go on. Go on. Go on. I don't want to be mean to you, but you need to go. 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 I want to see you fly. Fly away. Fly away. Yeah, you. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Like him. See, he's a regular bird. There's 10 birds out there. I know, I saw him. He's a big crane. Go on. I want to get him flying. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. You make him fly. What, you can just say, oh, they are gorgeous, but they can't stay around here. There's 6 here now. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. Does that tell you anything? It tells me something. It tells me somebody here feeds the birds. We don't feed the birds. Go on now. Get out of here. Go on. I don't want to be mean, but okay. Goodbye, Facebook. Movie. I don't want them pooping all over our yard, right? They will. They'll poop all over the yard. That many birds will go out here. There'll be nothing but shit all over the place.